Alright folks, today we're going to look at Dazzling White's Teeth Whitening Charcoal Powder. But first, let's look at some really gross teeth. So here's the teeth whitening powder, and what I will recommend to you is that when you open it up, just be very careful. I know a lot of people who have spilled this charcoal, and also when you use it, make sure, be real careful, but make sure to maybe not use your best toothbrush, use an older toothbrush, because it does kind of stain your toothbrush with charcoal. Now you want to wet your toothbrush first, pat it in, get some of this on your toothbrush, and then you're going to brush your teeth with charcoal powder. Let's take a look. So actually, I wasn't expecting too much from the product, but it outperformed what I expected. My teeth feel clean, white, and bright. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below, so pick up some of this amazing teeth whitening in the description below. Thanks for watching and subscribe for new videos every week.